Hi, this is Jeremy from HValley Tools. Today we're going to go over a few of the desktop CNCs that we offer on our website now. Our entry model is going to be the Genmitsu 3018 Pro. It'll do about a 6x10 3/4 inch thick sign right out of the box. It also has an optional laser attachment if you'd like to get into any type of engraving. It's relatively inexpensive if you want to get into CNC work, you're not sure it's something you want to do, this is a great option to start. Next we have the Genmitsu 4040 Pro, which out of the box will do a sign about this big. It's about 15 3/4 by 15 3/4. It comes with a 75 watt spindle, same as the 3018. You can also upgrade, get one of our Rocky routers. They have a nice little attachment here to attach to their CNC, and it also takes a laser. Also has a fourth rotary access attachment, which is great if you want to make chess pieces or anything like that. Pretty cool feature. Lastly, Genmitsu offers their 4030 PROVerXL. Out of the box, it actually does a slightly smaller sign than the 4040, but it is capable of, you're capable of getting larger rails. You can expand on this, so you're not locked into this small size. If you have an Etsy business, you think you might get bigger, this is a great option. Out of the box, it has a mount to take a router. It also has a 300 watt spindle. So, little side business, this is the guy you want. Lastly, our top of the line that we offer is Shapeoko 4, the Shapeoko Pro, and the Shapeoko 5. Right here is the Shapeoko 4. This model cuts a 17.5 by 33 inch workpiece. It has the Rocky motor attached. We have the dust boot attached. It's great. We machine right in the showroom. No dust anywhere. This thing runs like a charm. They now offer the Shapeoko 5, which instead of having these belts here, is upgraded to linear rails and ball screws. So if you're looking for ultimate machining, you have a small cabinet shop, then Shapeoko 5 is the way to go. It also has tables up to 4x4 feet, so you can definitely get cabinet parts done in there. If you have any questions about these products, you can always give us a buzz in the product department. We're always happy to help. And have a great day.